Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to boost FPS and fix lag in Peak step by step. So first of all, you need to optimize your in-game settings. So simply launch your game and then go to its settings. In the settings, you are going to see the option of resolution. So in the resolution, you just have to make it 1080p, or if it is showing you 720p, you can also select it, but for higher resolution, make sure that it is on 1080p. You can also turn off the shadows or anti-aliasing and motion blur, and you can set the texture quality to medium or low. After making these changes, you just have to restart your game, and you will see that your FPS boost instantly. Now, in the second step, what you can do is you can simply close any of the applications which is running in the background. So for that, simply just right click on the taskbar and then select the option of task manager. Over here in the task manager, you are going to see a bunch of different programs. So among these, you just have to simply select that particular program which you want to close. So here you just have to right click on it and then you just have to end the task. So this step is going to make some free resources and free space, and it will save the RAM and the CPU power too. Now you can also try upgrading or updating your drivers. For that, you just have to open your drivers application. Currently in my PC, I have NVIDIA. So after launching it, simply go to the drivers section. If you see any of the install button here, or you can also check for the update. After that, if you see any update, you just have to update it, and this particular step ensures that your PC uses the full power for the gaming. So you can also do this. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.